Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem that is a girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of an lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Okay, so let us draw a diagram for this. If you take this as a lamp post, that is A, B, and I took this as a girl, that is CD. Okay, if you take this as the ground, right, the girl shadow will be in this way, right? So here we are observing the girl's shadow, right? So what are the lengths and all given here? Height of the girl is 90 centimeter. Some is given in centimeter, some is given in meters, so I am converting this to meters. 90 centimeters is converted into meters as 0.9 meters. How you will do that? 90 by 100. This cancel and remains 0.9 meter. So this is 0.9 meter and this is 3.6 meter, right? Given no here. So we have to find, if you take this as E, we have to find this length of her shadow. Okay. From this what we have the sorry, here if you observe the triangles from the figure, observe the triangles ABE and CDE, triangle ABE and triangle CDE. Angle B equal to angle D. Angles made by lamp post and the girl will be perpendicular to ground. That's it, no? To the ground. Why? Because if you stand on the ground, what will be the angle for your feet? Means for you on the ground, what will be the angle? 90 degrees, no? That's why both angles are equal. And angle E is common for both triangles. Okay? So therefore, by AA similarity means angle, we can say triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE, right? So as they are similar, what we can write? We know that if two triangles are similar, we can say that their sides are in the equal proportion, that is AB by CD equal to AE by CE equal to BE by DE, right? So here we have values for AB is given value 3.6 meter and CD is given 0.9 meter, right? So here what we have to find? We have to find sorry, DE. So this if you take, first we know the girl is going away from the lamppost a speed of 1.2 meter per second is the speed given is 1.2 meter per second. That is, in 1 second she is moving 1.2 meters away. So what they asked, the length of her shadow after 4 seconds they asked. So in 1 second 1.2 seconds means in 4 seconds what you will get? 1.2 into 4, which is equals to 4.8 meter per second. sorry, okay, sorry, this is in 1 second going 1.2 meter, 4 seconds 1.2 into 4, that is 4.8 meters, right? So from here to here it is 4.8, and this we don't know, this will be x, DE will be x. So BE, what you will get? BE equals to BD plus DE. What is BD? 4.8 plus what is DE? X, right? So we have the values AB, CD and BE. We can find value of DE. How? AB by CD equal to BE by DE, which implies AB is 3.6 by CD is 0.9 equal to BE. What you will get? BE is 4.8 plus x by DE is what, ma? X. Now we have to simplify this. What we got? 3.6 by 0.9 equal to 4.8 plus x by x. Right? So this how we can simplify. Just cross multiply. If you get 3.6x equals to 0.9 into 4.8 plus x, which implies 3.6x equals to 48 into 9, what you will get? 72, 36 4, sorry, 36 7, 43, 432, 4.32 plus 0.9x, which implies 3.6x minus 0.9x equals to 4.32. This is what you will get, 2.7x equals to 4.32. X equal to 4.32 by 2.7. This can be written as 432 by 100 into 10 by 7, 27. This cancel, and 27 in 432, it will go in 27 into, here directly I am taking 16. Why? If you multiply 6 and 7, the units place you will get 2. So you will get a chance of 432 when you multiply 27 with 16. 16 sevens 112, 16 twos 32, 32 plus 11 43, 432. So 27 sixteens, which is equals to 16 by 10, and this again can be written as 2 5 2 8s 2 5s, which is equals to 8 by 5. So 8 by 5, 5 ones 5, 36. So 1.6 meter is the shadow of the length of shadow of girl. After 4 seconds is 1.6 meter. Understood how to do? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.